a wonderful and unique Northwest contemporary home with a total of 3,159 square feet. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom is situated on 1.25 private acres in the heart of Southeast Eugene. Great living room and dining with slider door leading to large deck for outdoor entertaining or viewing the abundant wildlife. Fabulous cook's kitchen with top-of-the-line amenities, large master suite with amazing walk-in closet, office, and sauna, huge family room with separate entrance, detached garage with a spacious office above. If you are a qualified buyer, I'm your realtor. Contact me now for your personal showing.